Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can close all of your tabs on Safari iPhone all at once in the latest iOS 17. So it's pretty simple. You want to open up your Safari browser first on your iPhone, and then you want to click on the two boxes which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you want to hold on the two boxes because if you just click on it, it's going to show you your tabs which is open. But if you want to delete or close all of them at once, hold on the double box button at the bottom right, and then only it's going to show you all of this option. And from over here you want to choose where it says close all three tabs. So right now I only have 3 tabs, that's why it's showing me 3. But if I had more than that, it's going to show me the number which is the amount of tabs which I have opened. So if I click on close all 3 tabs, it's asking me are you sure, and I am sure, so I will click on close all 3 tabs, and all of my 3 tabs will be closed at once. And as you guys can see, now I only have 1 tab open. That's how you guys can close all tabs in Safari on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day. I'll see you guys in my next video.